wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best raised garden kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. Environmental enthusiasts will love that the Greenland double is made from a recycled plastic and wood composite. This oversized bed features a proprietary corner system designed so that even a novice can slide it together in a snap. Expansion kits are also available, and it comes in at a budget-friendly price. However, it must be placed on a level surface. At number 7, the handy bed is perfect for gardeners who want a maintenance-free container experience without fading or rotting. It's only 6 inches deep, but the edges have a tongue and groove system so you can securely stack 2 beds for more depth. It's small enough for patios or decks and cleans easily with a hose, but it's a little pricey for the size. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Nuvue Extra Tall is deeper than similarly sized beds to encourage stronger root growth and maximize moisture retention. The durable vinyl has a classic look that will coordinate with your existing outdoor decor and is easy to keep clean. You could choose from white or tan, and it offers a snap-together assembly. However, it doesn't have a floor. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for raised garden kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the classic rattan of the keter ez-gro will look great with many styles of patio furniture. The drainage system features a handy gauge to let you know when your plants need watering, and you can open or close the bottom drain for maximum moisture control. It's good for indoor or outdoor use and means no time wasted weeding, but it is hard to move once filled. Halfway up our list at number 4. The lightweight Victory 8 ez-gro is a new concept in gardening that gives you a higher yield in a compact space. It's constructed of heavy-duty aeroflow fabric that lets air circulate through the soil and roots while allowing for superior drainage. It's available in 6 sizes and no assembly is required. However, it is difficult for one person to fill. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. The gronomics rustic gives you a rough sawn look even if you don't own a saw. Constructed with high-quality western red cedar that slides together easily, this bed sits at a comfortable 32 inches tall, making it perfect for gardeners with limited mobility. It comes with decorative corner caps and eliminates bending, but it is somewhat wobbly when assembled. At number 2, if you want to grow a wide variety of vegetables in a compact space, the Greens Fence Tiered offers 3 different planting depths to accommodate deep-rooted vegetables or flowers, as well as smaller plants that only need a few inches of soil. It's made of chemical-free cedar in a simple dovetail design. It holds 19 cubic feet of soil. And taking the top spot on our list, the Lifetime Garden Kit contains 2 high-density polyethylene beds that can be placed side by side or stacked for deeper soil and a more ergonomic height. It also comes with a zippered early start vinyl tent to extend your growing season in colder climates. It features a faux wood finish and won't rot or attract insects. It can also be used as a sandbox. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for raised garden kits, or simply click beneath this video.